Hello. Google Display Network is a great way to promote your business. But the problem is not many people know how to target their right audience properly on the GDN. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very simple way of targeting the right audience. Hello and welcome back, and thanks for joining in. My name is Ozair, and in this video, I'm going to show you a very simple way where you can set up your targeting in such a way that you cut out a lot of your wastage on the GDN and only target those people who you want to really target. So I'm going to bring in my iPad and I'll explain how this works. Okay, so here is our Google Display Network. So many advertisers and business owners set up their targeting to placement, for example, which is fine. But there's a big problem in this kind of targeting. So then under placement, they target websites like New York Times, Forbes, CNN, Huffington Post, Wall Street Journal, and websites like these. These are all high traffic, high authority websites. So their traffic quality is very, very good, but it may not be very relevant to your business or products. Now, if I'm targeting business owners or professionals, and I want to put my ad on those pages of all these websites which has got something to do about business, not about politics, sports, food, lifestyle, fashion, because these websites will have thousands and thousands of different types of news and articles listed on their web pages. So if I'm targeting the whole of each of these websites, it's not very targeted. I need to really niche down and narrow the targeting quite a bit. So what I want to be doing is I want to be setting up my targeting as placement plus keyword. And then I tell Google that I want to place my ads on these websites, but only show my ads if any of these web pages has got a keyword which I am targeting. So we are kind of like layering our targeting. So instead of, let's say, going broad match in a typical search campaign, we are kind of like going broad modified or possibly phrase. So we are narrowing down our targeting. So what will happen is, to give you a rough idea, so let's say this is our placements, and then we are bringing in our keywords, and then that audience which is right here in the middle is where our ads are going to show to. So you can see that we are cutting out a huge amount of wastage over there and over there, but only targeting to this audience. Now obviously the impressions will go down quite a lot for sure. So that's not a problem, because I don't want to be showing my ads to people who are not interested in my services or business. So although the impressions will go down quite a bit, I will then be able to use up my budget for other uh, websites and other web pages, and I'll be able to get a higher conversion rate. My cost per conversions are going to go down, and overall, my return on investment for my ad campaigns is going to go up and improve quite a bit. So, just by targeting your audience with multiple categories will greatly improve your return on investment on the GDN. So that's how easy it is to layer your targeting on the GDN to improve the performance of your ad campaigns. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to be notified about other videos when I upload, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification button. Thanks for your time. I really do appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.